Today on Low Carb with Jennifer, I'm going to show you how to make these keto pepperoni pizza pockets. So today I've got a delicious keto pizza pocket recipe. We're going to make them pepperoni pizza pockets. They are delicious and your kids are going to love them. So we've got some almond flour here, 3/4 cup of almond flour, and we're going to add 1 3/4 cups of shredded mozzarella cheese. This is a fathead dough. That's what we use for our pizza pockets. I like to mix the almond flour with the mozzarella cheese before I microwave it. I'm also going to add some salt. And I made a mess. So you can microwave this. We're going to do for 1 minute and then stir it and then a little bit longer. You can also cook this in a saucepan on the stovetop if you don't have a microwave. Okay, we microwaved this for 1 minute and now I'm going to do about 30 seconds longer just so it's not so stringy and it comes together a little better. Okay, now I'm going to mix in 2 tablespoons of softened cream cheese. And I'm just going to move this around with my spoon and let it release some of it's really hot and we don't want to put the egg in it yet. We want it to cool off before we put the egg. Okay, this is cooled down, so I'm going to add in 1 beaten egg. And now we just got to mix it in until it is a nice dough. You might have to use your hands. Okay, we've got our dough ready. So I'm going to put it on this lined sheet tray. I'm going to cut this into 4 equal pieces because we're going to make 4 hot pockets, or I don't want to say hot pocket, but pizza pockets. Okay, each one of these we are going to smush out flat until they are an oblong shape. If you need to, you can put some oil on your fingers so it's not so sticky, but it doesn't have to be perfect, just about 4 inches by 8 inches. So I'm just going to continue to do that with each one of the pieces of dough. And I put some oil on my hands, it's making it a lot easier. One tip I want to give is that you want to make sure and just go ahead and do this now, because if you do like say 3 and then you wait, then your dough is going to get too stiff and it's not going to spread as nicely. Okay, now we're going to do our toppings. We're going to do about a tablespoon of pizza sauce. And then each one will get about a tablespoon of mozzarella cheese. And then I've got some chopped up pepperoni, and each one will get a little bit of pepperoni. Okay, time to transform these into pockets. We are just going to pull the one end to the other end and then push it in, and they will, you don't have to crimp them with a fork or anything. You just have to smush it around the edges and the dough will come together and seal the pizza pocket. Okay, these are ready for the oven. They're going to bake in a 400-degree oven for about 15 minutes. Okay, our keto pizza pockets are out of the oven and they look amazing. So I'm going to put one on this plate. Okay, let's cut it open and see how delicious it is. Oh, look at that. Nice filling in there. These are so delicious. Your kids are going to love them. Be sure you check out this recipe for keto pizza skillet. If you've got leftover pepperoni from this recipe, you can use it for that recipe. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.